Have you ever copied something on your laptop, like a link, password, or note, and wished you could just paste it on your phone instantly? Good news, you actually can. In this video, I'll show you how to use Clipboard Sync between your devices, whether you're on Windows, Android, or iPhone, so your clipboard follows you everywhere. Let's start with Windows. If you use Windows 10 or 11, Microsoft has built in a hidden superpower called Clipboard Sync. It lets you copy text or images on one device and instantly paste them on another that's logged in with the same Microsoft account. No cables, no apps. It's pure magic once you set it up. Here's how to enable it. 1. Go to Settings, System, Clipboard. 2. Turn on Clipboard History. 3. Then enable Sync across devices. 4. Sign in with your Microsoft account on all devices you want to sync. Now try this. Copy some text on your laptop, then open your second Windows device and press Ctrl+V. Boom, it's there instantly. You can even open the clipboard history with Windows key +V to see everything you've copied. But what if you want to sync between your PC and phone? If you use SwiftKey keyboard on Android or iPhone, you can sync your clipboard with Windows too. Just log into the same Microsoft account inside the SwiftKey app. Then, anything you copy on your phone appears on your Windows clipboard, and vice versa. It's seamless and secure. A few pro tips. Clipboard Sync only works when both devices are online. It keeps your copied text safe and encrypted through your Microsoft account. And if you're worried about privacy, you can disable it anytime. If you use Apple devices, you already have something similar. It's called Universal Clipboard. Just make sure you're signed into the same iCloud account and have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Clipboard Sync might sound small, but once you try it, you'll never go back. It saves time, reduces friction, and keeps your work flowing smoothly across devices. Copy on your PC, paste on your phone, it's that simple. So go ahead, turn it on, and enjoy a world where your clipboard moves with you. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.